Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to transfer from KuCoin to Binance. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to KuCoin and to Binance and log in into your accounts. Now once you've done that, you want to go over to KuCoin and then you want to go over to assets and click on main account, because over on this page you can deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. And once you're on your main account page, you want to make sure that the funds you would like to transfer are actually in your main account. Now for me, all of my funds are in my trading account. So what you need to do, if that's the case for you as well, is to go over to your trading account and then go over to the coin you would like to transfer. For me, this will be Algorand. And then you want to click on transfer right here. Click on the direction. In this case, that's going to be from the trading account to my main account. Then you want to select the coin. And if you would like to transfer all of your available coins, click right here to select all of the available amount. Then you want to click on confirm, and you'll then see that my funds have been moved or transferred from my trading account or trading wallet to my main account. Because when I'm on my main account, my Algorand has appeared right here. Then you want to go over to withdrawal, go over to the search bar and click on it. You can then search for the cryptocurrency you would like to transfer, and once you've done that, just click on it, and you'll then have to fill in your wallet address. So to find your wallet address, you need to go over to Binance, go over to Wallet, and then click on Find and Spot. You'll then need to go over to the deposit button right here, and you can then select the currency you would like to deposit. Now if you're being sent over to the Fiat page, click right here to go over to the crypto page, and you can then go over to select coin, click on the coin selector, and search for the same cryptocurrency you have selected on KuCoin. Now please be aware that if you transfer your cryptocurrency, in this case Algorand, to the address of another coin, let's say USDT, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So make sure to select the same coin on both of the exchanges, and once you've done that, you'll need to select a network for your transfer. If you're not sure which one to use, please go over to KuCoin, click on network and view all the networks available. In this case only Algorand is available, but if there's multiple networks available, you need to look for networks that are available on both Binance and KuCoin. Then you want to select the network on Binance, and click on the click to copy button to copy your wallet address. You can then go over to KuCoin and paste it in. You'll then have to select the network, and you can then go ahead and fill in the maximum amount. Now once you've done that, you just need to click on confirm, and then your crypto will be sent from KuCoin to Binance. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.